To replace the key fob battery, you'll start by pressing this small square on the back, and you'll slide your key out. Now that you have your key in your hand, you'll insert your key into this small slot right here above, and just give it a little twist. You should be able to start working this cover off. Now this takes a 2450. You can take your key again, stick it right down here next to the battery, and pop it up. Then with your new 2450, take your battery positive side up, looks like this. Slide it right back down into the hole there. It'll snap into place. You can then make sure that your gasket is sealed tight. You'll just push it back together, starting from this end, working your way back. You'll feel all the snaps clip back into place. Make sure it's good and firm. Then you can insert your key back into the slot that it belongs in, and your battery has been replaced.